What I've learned so far. In here, with this removed, there's where the batteries are hidden. I have put 2 batteries in here, and I have hooked them up together, and I went out and I bought a gauge so I can see how much propane I have. Originally I was told these tanks were empty and they were 30 gallons. That is not correct. Right here, as you can see, it says 71.5. That means it's a 71.5 pound tank. So, needless to say, that was $70 to fill that tank. The other thing that I have found, this is the fresh water. This is for city water. No brainer, right? Here is the water tank. And in addition to the water tank, there's the overflow. Just like a regular house. Pressure relief. The one thing that nobody could tell me, so I ended up just seeing this. This is the back of the refrigerator. Right in here is the solenoid for the gas for the refrigerator, because the refrigerator does run on electric and it also runs on propane. Well, if the propane's turned off, it will not run. The other thing that I found in here, there is an external sink, and in addition to a sink, there is a outdoor grill. Yes, I did fix this lock. Anybody interested, I can show you how I did it. The other thing, let me grab the keys. In this compartment, which nobody told me about, like I said, I bought this thing, nobody knew exactly what was what. In here, up top here, there's a table and a little side table, all up on this aluminum tray right here in here. So that's another hidden thing that I found in here. Inside, some of the things that I found, a new lock that I put on. So now the deadbolt works. Here's your main breaker for your refrigerator and everything. In here, the freezer, this is your climate control. From what I'm understanding, there's a heat strip that absorbs any condensation that forms. I'm going to leave it off to see what happens so I can save on the propane and battery. Because right now this thing's running on battery only. These grates, as you can see, that one's broken. They're like $12 a piece at the RV place. This one, just so happens I had one in the art studio that I share, and this, Home Depot, $9, a lot cheaper. The other thing I found out, these 2 switches, one of them's for the light, the other one's for the fan. These, I'm assuming one of them is for the center lights. That one I'm not sure. This one is for an outdoor light, and I think this one is for the other light that's on the other side of the trailer. So that's it for right now. My next project, all this wood, which is reclaimed wood, I'm planning on building a deck. That's today's project. Let's see how it goes.